start the new topic, trigonometric function. We have studied trigonometric functions of basics, that means identity, property, addition, subtraction, and its probability. In this topic, first point is trigonometric equation. First definition, and equation containing a trigonometric functions of an unknown angles is known as trigonometric equation. An equation containing a trigonometric functions of an unknown angles is known as trigonometric functions. Some example: sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, cos theta is equal to 1, tan theta equal to 2. This is some example of trigonometric equations. The next is solution of trigonometric equation. Next definition: solution of trigonometric equation. A solution of trigonometric equation is the value of unknown angles that satisfies the equation. This is known as solution of trigonometric equation. Example: solution of trigonometric function of equation sin x is equal to 1 by 2 is solution of trigonometric equation sin x is equal to 1 by 2 is x is equal to pi by 6. X is equal to pi by 6. The next definition is principal solution. The solution of a trigonometric equation. Of an unknown angle x, where the condition is 0 less than x less than equal to 2 pi. This condition is important. 0 x between 0 to 2 pi is the principal solution, or as the principal solutions. Example: the principal solutions of sin x is equal to 1 by 2 is sin x is equal to 1 by 2 is x is equal to pi by 6 and x is equal to sin theta is positive in the first and second quadrant. This angle is in the first quadrant. Second quadrant means pi minus theta. That means this is 1 pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6. That means this is pi by 6. This is the principal solutions. Next. Next is examples of principal solution. This question: find the principal find the principal solutions of the following equations. First example, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Second, sec theta is equal to 2 divided by root 3. Third, cot theta is equal to root 3. Fourth, sin theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Fifth is tan theta is equal to minus 1. And sixth is equal to 3. Cosec theta plus 2 equal to 0. This is the examples of principal solutions. These are the 6 examples. Solution of first, we have to find the principal solution. That means main point of definition of principal solution is the solution between between 0 to 2 pi. Solution of first, given cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, cos theta is equal to cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 means theta is equal to pi by 3. That means cos theta is equal to cos pi by 3, and cos theta is positive in the first and fourth quadrant. That means cos 2 pi minus pi by 3. This is equal to cos 6 minus 1, and this is 5 pi by 3, such that 0 less than pi by 3 less than 2 pi, because 2 pi is 360, pi by 360 between 0 to 2 pi, and again this is between 0 to 2 pi, 0 less than 5 pi by 3 less than 2 pi. Therefore, the required principal solutions are pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. This is first example. Next, second, sec theta is equal to 2 divided by root 3. Given as it is, sec theta is equal to 2 divided by root 3. Therefore, sec theta means 1 upon cos. That means cos theta is equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 3 by 2. That means theta is equal to 5 by 6 cos 5 by 6, and cos theta is equal to cos 2 pi minus pi by 6. This is equal to cos 7 pi by 6, such that 0 less than pi by 6 less than 2 pi, and 0 less than 7 pi by 6 less than 2 pi. Pi by 6 is 30. That means 330. This is between 0 to 2 pi. Hence, the required principal solutions are pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6. First, second, next, third example is that cot theta is equal to root 3. Given cot theta is equal to root 3. Cot theta, root 3 means cot theta is equal to cot of pi by 6. But you know that cot theta is positive in the first and third quadrant. Here is positive. That means cot theta is equal to cot. That means pi plus pi by 3. This is equal to cot both pi by 3 pi by 6. That means is cot 7 pi by 6 such that 0 less than pi by 6 less than 2 pi and 0 less than 7 pi by 6 less than 2 pi. Therefore, the required principal solutions are pi by 6 and 7 pi by 6. This is third example. Next, proof is given sin theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here, one change is sin is minus. Here, sin theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Solution given as it is sin theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, sin theta is equal to minus sin as it is sin theta is equal to 1 by 2 means sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6. But here sin minus is not a sign of sum. That means sin theta is negative in the third and fourth quadrant. Therefore, by third angle, sin theta is equal to third means pi plus pi by 6 and sin theta equal to fourth means sin 2 pi minus pi by 6. This is equal to sin theta is equal to sin 7 pi by 6 and sin theta is equal to sin 11 pi by 6 such that 0 less than 7 pi by 6 less than 2 pi and 0 less than 11 pi by 6 less than 2 pi. Therefore, the required principal solutions are 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. This is the required principal solutions. Next, tan theta is equal to minus 1. Again here minus sign in RHS. Same question. We have to find the principal solutions. So this given tan theta is equal to minus 1. Tan theta is equal to minus 1. Therefore, tan theta is equal to minus tan theta is 1 means tan of pi by 4. You know that tan theta is negative in the second and 12th quadrant. Therefore, tan theta is equal to tan of pi minus pi by 4 and tan theta is equal to tan 2 pi minus pi by 4. This is equal to tan theta is equal to tan of 3 pi by 4 and tan theta is equal to tan of 8 minus 1, that means 7 pi by 4, such that 0 less than 3 pi by 4 less than 2 pi and 0 less than 7 pi by 4 less than 2 pi. Therefore, the required principal solutions are 3 pi by 4 and 7 pi by 4. And the last example is 3 into cosec theta plus 2 Number 6, last example is given equal to 3 into cosec theta is equal to -2 plus means -2. Then this is cosec theta is equal to -2 divided by equal to 3. Therefore this is cosec theta is equal to minus, this is sin 1 upon sin, that means this is cosec theta is equal to minus cosec pi by 3, cosec pi by 3, sin means minus 50 by 2. But know that sin and cosec, these are the negative in the third and fourth quadrant. Therefore cosec theta is equal to cosec 30 means pi plus pi by 3 and cosec theta equal to cosec 2 pi minus pi by 3. Therefore this is cosec theta is equal to cosec 4 pi by 3 and cosec theta equal to cosec 5 pi by 3, such that zero less than 4 pi by 3 less than 2 pi and 0 less than 5 pi by 3 less than 2 pi. Therefore the required principal solutions are 4 pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3. This is the examples of principal solutions.